My home is everything to me. I lived in Flint for over 20 years and I loved my house, but when my dad passed away in February, I had to leave and had to go take care of my mom back in Florida. And so I left what I thought was my perfect house and wound up coming back to Michigan and finding a house that I find is even better because I have some more land and it's what I've always wanted. When I had Ayers come and take a look to give me a quote, they did suggest, due to the dampness of the basement, to fully encapsulate it, and that I needed a sump pump and a dehumidifier would take care of the humidity issue. Justin was absolutely incredible. We ran into an issue with my plumbing where they actually had found a leak. So I called out my plumbers and they were able to stop that. But had I not had Ayers here, that leak would have continued and continued and continued. But as I was panicking because of this leak, Justin was so calm and kept me, we're gonna take care of you, and they did. Everything that Ayers has promised came true. I never felt pressured. He spoke to me like I was his grandmother. I mean, he treated me like he would treat a friend. So Sandy was the person that I went through with scheduling, and she was fantastic. Production was first class. There were 3 gentlemen that came out to work. They showed up right at 8 o'clock and they worked until 7:30 that night. They were so dedicated, and just the amount of stuff they took out of my basement was incredible. It was hard to go to sleep at night, knowing that I had such an issue. And now, after the completion of the work, I can leave it open. I don't have the cold air. I don't feel I don't smell anything down there. It's wonderful. Working with this entire team, I was working with family. And they would be somebody that I would truly recommend to anyone. Every interaction from the very beginning to the very end, to even sitting and talking with you, I can see that Ayers isn't just hiring bodies. They're hiring people who care, and they're developing that within their culture. And that, to me, makes a big difference when I'm looking to have somebody come into my home and do work that is, very needed, but to have a good culture of people who truly care.